I've been on the hunt for new tires ahead of a few epic summer road trips coming up, and I was pretty stoked to find exactly what I needed on SimpleTire.com. I usually know exactly what tires I think I might want, but I love to explore my options, and SimpleTire makes it super easy to compare tires right on the site and dig a little deeper into the specs that matter to me most. They also have some really cool tech for people who might not know their exact fit, like their simple snap search technology. All you do is use your smartphone to snap a quick photo of your tire, and SimpleTire's site will confirm your tire size and give you the top tire recommendations so that you know exactly what you're choosing. Since SimpleTire has super fast shipping, the tires were already there before I got to my appointment, so the guys could get to work right away. I chose Pirelli P0s and P0 Rosa tires, which are known for their iconic status as the top choice for high-performance drivers. I couldn't believe how quick and convenient the whole tire change process was with SimpleTire.